What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. Guys, what we're going to do today, we are going to go over Thursday's game plan. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's see if we got anything that'll rock the market. As you see, we got the initial jobless claims at 8:30, and we got GDP 8:30, and then pending homes at 10 o'clock. So those are a few different items that can rock the market, but we already know what to do when we get these data drops. We just sit back, we wait for a clear direction, and then we get on them. So, all right, guys, the first ticker that we're going to start off with is going to be ticker symbol SOUN. But before we dive into there, guys, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. Let's go ahead and jump into it. They have earnings. This is a earnings play, a pre-earnings play. They report Thursday at closing. So they're sitting at 965 right now. If you are a bull and you're thinking about playing this play, you want to see them open higher than 975. If they can do that, next level up is going to be to take out this middle piece in here at 985, and then boom, you got 1005 on deck. They hold higher than that, they can keep running up. They can start trying to run to this stuff over here at 1025. Next level up is going to be these tops at 1044, and they can keep pushing up. To the downside, you want to see them open up lower or somewhere around this area right here at 955. They can do that. Next level down, boom, 945. They break that level right there. You got one more area of interest at 932 before they start coming back down to this level right here at 910. So we'll handle that in real time. Next ticker up, it's gonna be ticker symbol DELL. They have earnings as well tomorrow at closing, Thursday at closing. Guys, we put this play out last night. Told you it was a pre-earnings run up. For you guys to get into it, don't miss. Man, they went crazy. If you see what they did, I threw this out in the Discord. Dell calls a break and hold up at 12:30. Dell puts a break and hold down at 110.90. And as you see, look at this run up when the market opened up. Boom! They ran this thing up, and to everybody that was in this play, look at that 9 EMA. The 9 EMA is my yellow line. The 20 is the orange line. And we know we don't get out of these plays until if you scalping, you want to get out once it start closing up under my yellow line, the 9 EMA. If you swing trading and you want to stay in a little bit longer, you go into the 15-minute time frame to make your decision, or you getting out at this orange line right here, the 20 EMA. And by the time they finally showed that they wanted to close up under the 9 EMA, we were sitting somewhere around 116, almost 117 from when I gave that call out. So again, shout out to everybody that played that play and made money in it. For continuation, what you want to see, they're sitting at 116. You want to see them open up higher than 116.35. They can do that. They're going to shoot their shot at those highs again, 117.25, before they try to run to the higher stuff. On the downside, you want to see them open lower than 115.65. If they can do that, next level down is going to be these bottoms right here at 114.90. They break through that right there. You got 114.60. One more area of interest right here at 113.75. They lose that level right there. Boom, you coming down to 111.95. So they can fall. They had that nice little run up. Bears might try to get busy tomorrow and bring that thing back down. So there you go. And that one, I got Palantir up next. All right, for this one right here, man, again, they've been getting beat down, but they stayed over the 90 mark. They finished over the 90 mark right now. They're sitting at 90.90. If you are a bull, what you want to see them open higher than 91.70. If they can do that, they can slowly start trying to get some get back and get this thing rolling again. You got another run up to 92.70. They break that. You got 94.10, and they can slowly start trying to bring this thing back up. Guys, don't FOMO and buy a whole bunch of calls because you think it's going to run. Play what's in front of you. Play what you see. On the downside, what you want to see is these middles get taken out. You want to see them open lower than 90.30. They can do that right there. You got another area of interest in the middle right here at 89.25. They break that. Boom. You got 88.05 on deck. Next level down is going to be 87.55. They trying to get back down to these middles at 86.40. So there you go. And that play right there, big baller shot callers, where y'all at? We got a couple for you. Let's go ahead and get it. First ticker up is going to be the SPY. SPY is sitting at 596.45 right now. So they showing some signs of life. I mean, they closed at 594. So that's a $2 push since closing. Pretty sure Nvidia got a lot to do with that right there. You want to see them open higher than 597.10. If they can do that, next level up is going to be this stuff up in here where they topped out at 599.40. They can break that. Boom, you got 600.80. That is going to be a heavy level. They break through that. You got these tops up in here at 602.20 before they can slowly start trying to run this thing all the way back up to 607.30 to the downside. If you are a bear, you want to see them open lower than 594.90. If they can do that right there, you got these bottoms right here at 593.90. Next level down, boom, you got 591.90 on deck. We'll handle in real time once they start taking out those areas. Next ticker up, we're going to throw Tesla on here. With Tesla, guys, we had another fun day in Tesla. It took a little while to develop, but they gave us that pullback that we knew was coming. So they're sitting at 292.20 right now. If you are a bull, you want to see them pop up and open higher than 295.20. If they can do that, they can start running this thing back up. You got 297.20 on deck. Then you got these middles in here at 298.90. They break through that. Boom, they're going to run this thing up to 302.20. We'll handle in real time once they start taking out that, because it's a lot of turbulence for them to get through before they can start booming it again. So again, I said I don't like this until they get past 311. But if you trying to go long on this and you see bulls showing momentum, 309.10 break, they can start booming this thing and start trying to push this thing all the way back up to this area up in here, 327.30. So bulls got to bring it though. But right now to the downside, if bears keep bringing pressure, what you want to see them open lower than 287.90. If they can do that, it's going to be a long day for Tesla. I had some levels to the downside, and you seen they were coming right to those levels. They was knocking those things down and headed to the next one. So I got a couple more that I'm paying attention to, but I just want to see where Tesla open up. You already know I'll update it and throw it in the Discord once I start seeing those areas get taken out. So guys, that's all I got with tickers for you right now. All right, this is the part of the video where I like to show some love. I'm going to show some love to Papa Panili. My $20 journey started with $20 on the 20th. Shout out to D Fresh. Played TSLA, but was following Tesla levels because it follows Tesla. Is that correct? That is correct. And should I stop doing that? Absolutely not. You're up almost 77% on the day. I remember when you put that post out that you were starting with $20 and you raised that thing to almost, well, over $200. So I am super duper proud of you. Keep grinding. Champagne bottles in the air for you. Keep on the grind. Stick with your plan. And guys, that's paying attention. This is the most important part. If it's not part of your plan, don't play it. Every day isn't meant to be a trading day. You don't have to trade every day. Today was a hard day to trade, if you ask me. It didn't really start revealing itself till after lunchtime. So when those scenarios happen in the market, man, sit back, go have some lunch, and just watch the trading action. Or better yet, turn off your computer, go do something else for the day. Save that capital for the next trading day, or even better, save that capital until you find a good setup that matches your trading style, and then get busy. But man, this FOMOing has got to stop. That's how we give Wall Street our money back, and we are not in the business to help them become even bigger time millionaires than they are. We trying to get to their level. We're not trying to give it to them and make it easy for them. So guys, do me that favor. If it doesn't go along with your plan, stop hitting the press buy button. Do not buy these tickers when they're unstable. This morning was a very unstable this morning. Don't matter what ticker it was, whether it was Tesla, SPY, they were going to key areas and then getting smacked right back down, then faking you out, going back to those levels. When they're doing that right there, we just sitting back. We sit back, we wait for a clear direction, and then we pounce. Simple. We go over this every day. Let's not make this harder than it has to be. I know y'all gonna bounce back tomorrow. So one thing that I want you guys to know is when you guys are winning, it is making my day. When you guys are celebrating, you already know I am celebrating. Ain't nobody more animated than me. Y'all see me throwing those gifts out there. I'm sitting back at the desk. When y'all winning, these levels are coming to my area. I'm sitting back and literally, this is me. This is me celebrating. I'm throwing my hat down on the ground. I'm jumping up. I'm screaming. I'm doing every bit of this. So, guys, don't think that you out there alone out there trading. I'm out here sitting here trying to give you the best levels for you guys to pay attention to be able to dominate throughout the session. But you guys got to sit back and not jump at everything that you see. FOMO is real. Don't let it get you. So guys, to everybody else that's watching, that's not in the Discord, get in the Discord. That way you got access to my full list of morning call outs, as well as the technical analysis breakdowns on the top plays throughout the session. Guys, we killed that Dell call, was crazy. The Tesla puts was crazy. Guys, I'm looking forward to seeing y'all. But hey, if you like sniper tight, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, NVIDIA, Tesla, Palantir, HUT, Hood, Nike, go ahead and tap into the Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we're grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.